This is the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. As someone who hasn't cut their hair in 2 years, that hair mask is definitely something I need. This was gifted to me from the brand, but as always, I would get my eyes reveal. So as I have pretty long hair, I would say my hair goes a good amount. And like I said, I haven't had a haircut in 2 years, so I always love to give it my hair a treatment, a mask, something to really like kind of help nourish my hair. What I love too about this too, this can kind of go in like as a last minute thought because all you have to do is use shampoo. Do not condition. It says right on the bottle. You're gonna towel dry and then put as pumps. I usually use 4 pumps because I do have pretty long hair and I do have a good amount of hair. So I feel like I really need it. And then you apply all over, wait 4 minutes, and then you're just gonna blow dry your hair. And that blow drying too will really work the product in and really like kind of seal the product. This also has patent K18 peptide reverse damage for like if you have bleach, color damage, and like I have UV damage because I'm always outside and my hair is always getting exposed. I do love to wear a hat, but that it kind of helps that this is also a no rinse required. And I feel like it really helps kind of fight the frizz and kind of get everything you need out. So if you're looking for a hair treatment, this is definitely one you need to try.